Hello friends, in this tutorial we discuss about outliner. I have created two different shapes. First I select this box and make it its group. You can see after creating group, it's shown automatically in the outliner list. Okay. I can select this cylinder, make it component. I put the name cylinder. So you can see the component are automatically shown in the outliner list. So if you are creating big project, you can use more groups, components, etc. So you can easily control the groups, components with the help of outliner. So you can hide or unhide or rename. Just click and rename. So just click and rename it box. So you can see the full solid box, it's look group, okay, and 4 dotted box, it's called component. So there is a difference to identify which is a group and which is a component. And also if I make these two one group, you can see here automatically form the group of items. You can easily turn off and turn on, or you can control everything one by one. Okay, this is a very easy method to control your groups and components. And also you can select individual or a full group, and you can edit it easily. And also you can search. If you have more than list of groups and components, you can search. Whatever you search, the highlighted in red color. Okay, if I search cylinder, it shows in red color. So easy way to find your component and groups and editing, hide or unhide, etc. Here's a details tab. Here shortlist, sort by name, or normally you can create it like this, and you can collapse, means all combined into group. Expand all means all expanded within the group. Okay, use outliner in your project. It's very interesting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.